We're from UST, the Network of Electronics Engineering Students, and I'm here with a couple of my officers. One of our objective, as an organization, is not only to enhance our technical capabilities, but to also make change in society. It's actually one of the mission vision of our organization. It's not only to be committed or be smart about what we do, but we also need to be compassionate with others.
May dalawa pong paraan para malaman kung gaano kalaki itong resistor na to. Pwede nyo i-memorize.
The introduction of solar light is an opportunity for these women incarcerated to be productive, to be empowered.
Maganda po ito para sa amin, bagong livelihood po namin dito sa loob. Para, lalo na po ako, malapit na po akong lumaya. At least, magagamit ko po ito paglaya ko.
It's an additional income. We can have our own income and we can help our family even if we are here.
Women here in correctional is a great source of manpower. By way of this project, they can help other people who cannot afford to, say, have an electricity in their homes.
Ang sa amin po kasi dito, kahit wala po kaming bayad o ano, basta po bukas sa kalooban po namin na tumulong sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong po.